Today, we're going to the Dower Classic Car Museum in Sunrise, Florida. There are about 80 cars there, 60 of which are typically on exhibit. The automobiles are all fully restored and operational. It is also possible to rent the cars and drive them away. Additionally, the museum can be rented for special events. To view their website, address, phone number, and other details, please click the link in the description. Let's have a look at these amazing classic cars. You don't expect to walk into a room full of cars and feel like you're visiting a part of yourself you forgot existed. But here at the Dowers Museum, every car isn't just a machine. It's a memory of someone's first love, first road trip, first dream of escape. You realize these cars weren't built for speed. They are built with soul, with hands, with care, with color and flair that said, why just drive when you could arrive? This place is more than a museum. It's a time capsule, a reminder that beauty once came standard, and style was a form of self-respect. Some people come here for the cars, but what they leave with is wonder. Wonder at what we used to create, wonder at how far we've come, and how much we've left behind. We're all moving fast, but sometimes the best thing you can do is stop, look back, and remember what the ride is really for.